Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, Samantha Pollack. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how I trim my hair. Kinda diva cut at home type of situation. This is not a tutorial, I'm just showing you how I trim my hair by myself. As you see, my hair is flat with no shape at all. And I wanna have some layers and more volume. Just like this. So before I start trimming, I did a wash and go and I did the shingling method because I want to focus on each curl. My hair is completely dry and I'm gonna divide my hair in two equal sections. And now I'm gonna start trimming. I'm focusing on the top layers because for some reason my hair grows faster on the top than on the back of my head. So wherever I see straight curls, I cut it off. All I do now is fluff and cut the straight pieces off. I repeat the same steps on the other half. And I don't have any rules, I just go back and forward. Whenever I see straight ends, I trim. And that's about it. This is how my hair is looking now. And this is how my hair was looking 20 minutes ago. I haven't cut that much. I focused on my top layers because the curls in the back didn't need much trimming. And also, I don't want to mess my hair up. I can't see the back of my head, so I will leave that for a professional. And of course, I'm gonna finish my hair, I'm gonna do my side part, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed. This video is not a tutorial, just here to show you how I trim my hair by myself. And I hope you enjoyed. Until the next time, bye!